Hi, my name is Orsan. I was just in Joya's workshop of Contacting Pro, and it felt like he was building it really gently and like in sort of like steps, and it made me feel really secure and safe with my own body, and also with the people around me. And I'm quite new with this Contacting Pro, and I really feel usually that I need to remind myself to breathe. And Joya has this thing that he keeps on saying blue, which means breathe.
Anytime you hold one foot, so breathe in. Hold it. Breathe in deeper. Hold it for 5, 4, 3. Let it sound 1.
That he keeps on saying blue, which means breathe. And it kept on bringing me to myself, to my own center, and it felt really, really good. So thank you for the experience, and go and have fun.